Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna, and I thought I would just give you an update on the Palazzo quilt block of the month. I get the threads from Aurifil each month. These are the three threads, and these are the fabrics that I used for it. This one is 4093, 1148, and 2835. And we've got the same patterns that we've used before. So I'm not going to show them. We've got this piece here. We've got the path in the center of the plaza, and of course the curved piece. There is only one other block that we have not done, and that is this corner right here. So when I get this piece, I will make a video, but since we've already done everything else, I'm going to wait till we put the quilt together after we do this, and then I will make another recording, because we don't need more recordings of the same thing. So that's the update, and thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you later. Thank you.